Hey guys, this is Daniel here with Martin Kia to go over some helpful tips and tricks on how to use your Kia vehicle. Today we're going to go over how to release the 60/40 split rear seat in a 2019 Kia Forte LXS. It is very simple to release those seats. So what we're going to do here is we are going to use the key fob and we're going to release that trunk here. Once we do that, we can walk over to the trunk and you'll see right here on the top edge where it says pull to release the seat. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that, and you're gonna see one on the other side as well, and we're gonna pull that. Once we do that, we can go ahead and walk over to the rear passenger side, and these seats will go ahead and fold down, and the other side will do the same. Which once you do that, it gives you plenty of storage space for the rear of your vehicle. All right, guys, there you have it. That is how to release the 60/40 split seats in a 2019 Kia Forte. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe.